Hey, what's up, everybody? Now, hopefully, everybody's having a great time. This is yashviagaming.com, and welcome back, guys, to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how you can use a WordPress theme editor. Okay, so I'm going to show you two possible fixes how you can fix your error. Okay, so let's say you wanna if you're editing your WordPress theme. Okay, if you've gone to here under the appearance and theme editor, and let's say if you wanna do some changes like I'm doing. Okay, so let's say you wanna insert anything inside the WordPress theme editor. Okay, so I would like to add meta a meta tag. All right, so let's say I'm gonna try to add this meta name or meta. Okay, this meta tag. So I'm gonna paste it. Okay, so as you can see, once I click update file, I will get an error. Okay, so as you can see, the error says unable to communicate back with the site. Okay, to check for fatal errors. So the PHP was reverted. You'll need to upload your PHP file, change by some other means such as using SFTP. Okay, so I'm going to show you two possible fixes for this. All right, so the first fix, guys, is you're gonna disable all your plugins. Okay, you're gonna go to plugins and click install plugins. Okay, so first you wanna disable all your plugins. As you can see, I have 39 active plugins. Okay, so you wanna click this, and this will select all the plugins. Okay, all the 39 plugins that I have. Okay, in your case, you might have only one or two plugins, or you might have more. So you're gonna click this, you wanna select all, and then you wanna select bulk actions, and you're gonna select deactivate, and you're gonna apply. Okay, so either way you can do this, and then it will let you edit, and then it will let you do the following changes in your theme editor. Okay, and you'll be able to save it, and after that you'll have to come back here and you have to enable all of your plugins. Okay, but today I'm going to show you another way, another physical way too, is by using your SFTP. Okay, it's so you'll need a FileZilla client. You'll have to install FileZilla. Okay, so I'm gonna connect to FileZilla right now. And I'm gonna go into my root, my forum root directory. It's in WP content, and I'm gonna go inside the theme. Okay, here is themes, and as you can see, the Ocean WP. Okay, Ocean WordPress theme. So I'm gonna open it. And from here, what you can do, guys, is you can either right click and view and edit, or you can do this by yourself. So you can just drag it onto your desktop. Okay, so as soon as you drag it onto your desktop, you will see this. Okay, and now you may open this, and then you may copy and write any changes that you would want. Okay, or even you can choose to open this with Notepad++. Okay, so now it makes more sense. Okay, as you can see, the text is now in code, so it will be much better to follow up. Okay, so let's say no. So I'm gonna add the meta here, and yeah, so after you have done your changes, all you gotta do is to click this save button. Okay, so I'm gonna do the changes in my templates in the landing page as well. So I'm gonna drag and drop the landing page on my desktop, and I'm gonna edit it via Notepad++. As you will see, edit, and I'm gonna find the head. Okay, is a head tag, and I'm gonna do the same. Okay, I'm gonna click saved, close, and then to re-upload that, all I'm gonna drag and drop the landing here, and I'm gonna overwrite the file. Okay, transfers finished, and I'm gonna do the same for the header. Okay, drag and drop, overwrite, and boom, that's all. Okay, all right guys, so this is how we do changes in our. And now if I go into my appearance and theme editor, okay, so I would like to show you. And now if I go into the header.php, and it should be now applied. Okay, you should be able to see the new changes. Okay, as you can see here, it is meta content file up. Okay, and now the problem is fixed. Okay, so if you have chosen to do the SFTP, it's more reliable and flexible method. But if you have choose the first method, then you will have to go to your plugins, to all of your plugins, and then you'll have to re-enable all your plugins back. You'll have to re-enable all of your plugins right after you've done changes into your WordPress theme editor. Okay guys, so I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if it is, please give your like, and yeah, if you have any comment to leave, please leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace. Love you guys.